Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete a conversation on WhatsApp with the latest updates. Managing your chats effectively is essential for a clutter-free messaging experience. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Firstly, open WhatsApp on your Android smartphone. This is where you can access all your chats and conversations effortlessly. Once you're in the app, identify the chat you want to delete. Simply tap and hold on the chat to reveal a menu of options for managing that specific conversation. Locate and tap the delete icon at the top of the screen. This action will prompt a confirmation message to ensure you want to proceed with deleting the chat. To confirm your decision, tap on Delete Chat. This final step will permanently remove the chat from your WhatsApp conversations. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently delete a conversation on WhatsApp, maintaining a tidy and organized chat list. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope this guide has been helpful in assisting you with deleting conversations on WhatsApp. Enjoy a clutter-free messaging experience by implementing these simple steps.